The Bible says in 1 Timothy chapter 6, verse 10, that the love of money is the root of all evil. It also says that Judas, Balaam, and a certain rich young ruler were ruined by their selfish love for the things of this world. This should be a solemn warning to us. But on the other hand, the Bible also says that Abraham, Job, and Joseph of Arimathea were all quite wealthy. And fortunately, they all used their wealth for the Lord. There's a very fine line here, and walking that line successfully is what my new course, Grow Your Money with God, is all about. It could save your life and help you grow your money too, so you can better pay those bills and have more money to support the work of God. To learn more, just click on over to growyourmoneywithgod.com. Thanks for watching this, and may the Lord bless you.